Hi, I am Bharti and today I am going to talk about an unique and an interesting product for the Indian market. This is especially for those who love online shopping.
In today's world, everything is available right on your fingertips, and online shopping has become part of life.
With busy work schedules during the weekdays and crowded malls during the weekends, it makes complete sense to shop online and save some time and spend that quality time with family and friends. But today, online deliveries comes with its own set of drawbacks, such as odd delivery timings like early in the morning or afternoon, random delivery timings when you are out or busy. Hygiene of the delivery boy and hygiene of the parcel also matters, doesn't it? And in this pandemic, the situation has gotten even worse, wherein the parcels get lost or the parcels gets damaged. Or you waiting for the delivery boy to come and collect a returning parcel.
And how societies are handling this situation is by leaving the parcel onto the table in the lobby,
Or by asking the security guards
to take care of the parcel or handle the parcel. Do you really think this is the solution to the problem? Well, I guess you know the answer.
So, W Lockers has got an innovative solution to solve this problem. Let me show you how it works. So, let me first start by explaining you the product. This is 5 by 5 feet 15 locker unit, and it also comes with 5 by 10 feet which has 30 locker unit, and each of the unit has 3 types of lockers which varies by size. This, as you can see, is a small size locker. This is the medium size locker, and this is the large size locker. The depth of all the lockers is 18 inches. The size of the small locker is 15 inches by 7 inches. The size of medium locker is 15 inches by 15 inches. And the size of the large locker is 27 inches by 15 inches.
There is a UV sanitization machine which is built inside the unit, and the unit also comes with a CCTV camera.
So, there are 3 main features of this locker: the drop operation, the pickup operation, and UV sanitization. Let me explain you all these features one by one.
Let me start by explaining you the drop operation. Assume that I am your delivery guy and I've got this parcel for you.
What I'm gonna do? I am going to click at the drop option, and then I am going to select the locker depending upon the size of the parcel. This, for example, is a medium-sized parcel, so a medium-sized locker, and the flat number, which is 0123. Click on next, and then select the source. This is from Swiggy, so I will select Swiggy and then open. Tada! Lock number 10, which is a medium-sized locker, is open. I am going to keep the parcel inside and close it, and then click OK. So that's it. This is the operation from my end, and post this, the details of the locker with an OTP are going to go to the parcel owner. Now I am on the other side, wherein I am the parcel owner and my parcel has been kept in the locker. So how will I collect it? Well, on my phone I have the details such as the locker number and the OTP. I will use both of them and collect the parcel. Let me show you how. So I will click on the pickup, and I will select my locker number on the SMS. It says locker number 10 correctly, and then I will put the OTP, which is 960970. Click on open. Tada! The parcel can be picked up right now with the help of my OTP. I am gonna close this, and I've received my parcel. Easy. And the third feature, which is very interesting, called the UV sanitization. And if you're concerned about the hygiene of the parcel and you want to UV sanitize it, you can use this feature. It's very simple. Just click UV sanitization on the screen and put up your flat number. Keep your parcel and sanitize it for 2 minutes. Hey, I have a bonus feature for you. Are you thinking that what will I do if I have to return the parcel? What's the procedure? Well, it's very simple. You just have to click drop on the screen and then put the parcel into your own locker. Remember to punch your own house flat number onto the locker.
keep your parcel and later share the OTP which you earlier received with the delivery guy. So, let me tell you some important benefits of W lockers. First, added security measures. It discourages random delivery boys from wandering around in your society premises. Second, convenience and comfort. It is not important that you come down immediately to collect your parcel. Number 3, parcel security. You do not have to worry about your parcel getting misplaced or damaged as it is put in your locker correctly. Fourth, smart technology. We use the OTP based systems. This ensures that the person with the correct OTP can collect the parcel. Number 5, shared locker system. Think about it. You do not need 100 lockers for 100 flats. That's why we provide a shared locker system as a solution, thereby saving space and money. Number 6, stress-free delivery. Now there will be no delivery time related conflicts and you can focus on your work, meeting calls, etc. and also enjoy a hassle-free time with your friends and family. Number 7, parcel hygiene. Since we have UV sanitization measure, this ensures that you can sanitize your parcel completely. Number 8, CCTV surveillance. This ensures that there is added security and safety. Last but not the least, number 9, you do not have to worry if your elderly parents or your young children are alone at home, because the parcel is going to be delivered inside your locker. If you really like this product, then you can reach out to our team at W Lockers on sales@wlockers.com or call us on 9152 005 005.